On my Camino de Santiago, I stayed at Casa do Sardão in Carreço. The check-in time is 1:30. I arrived around 4:30 and I was the second one there. It was approximately 4 hours with a lunch stop and a coffee stop along the way from Viana de Castelo. Here is a tour of the albergue. Just after I arrived, it started to sprinkle. So actually most of the time I was indoors. There were 2 kitchens and 2 bathrooms for the pilgrims to use. I really enjoyed the farm-like atmosphere. Here is another area of the albergue. This is the second kitchen, and it was here where I met a group from Ukraine. We had a tea together, and in the kitchen you could get capsule coffee, you could make tea, you could make your own food, or they offered you to order something. By 6, a lot of pilgrims arrived, and then it started to rain, so pretty much everyone stayed inside the rest of the time.